Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. To slam all three of these images together, we can use imagemagick. I'll open this in a terminal. And the command is convert, and you're going to use the minus sign for horizontal. Let's go ahead and run that, and we generate a horizon triptych. Take a look, and there it is. Do the same thing with vertical. And we go here. Let's take a look. And for vertical, let's go ahead and say this is V. And for vertical, we use the plus sign. And enter. There we go. And now we should have a vertical triptych, just like that. And now finally, let's go ahead and delete these just to keep our space clear. And I'm going to use a Nautilus script that I wrote with the help of Horst Jens, who, if you want good programming lessons in Python, he's the man to talk to. Image merge, it's going to launch a PyGUI interface. And we're going to horizontally merge these images. And it worked. We can do the same thing with vertical. And there's the vertical. And there it is. So here is the code for image merge, and I'm using a timestamp here so as to make it easier to run. And you see plus is for the append, vertical, and minus for append for horizontal. All right, I hope this has been useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll post the code in a GitHub repo or just, I don't know. All right, thanks for watching. Happy computing.